Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today, I'm going to continue the 12 desserts of Christmas. This is number 2. Come and join me while I show you how to make these moist sour cream chocolate cupcakes. Let's start off with 1 1/4 cups almond flour, a 1/2 cup of allulose sugar. It is a sugar substitute that I have just found, and I'm going to try my hand at some sugar-free items. But you can use regular sugar if you want to. 1/3 cup of cacao powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, Now really work this together because that allulose sugar is caked together, so you want to work all that out. Now for the wet ingredients. Let's add 2 eggs. Now let's add 1/2 cup of sour cream. It'll help it rise, make it more fluffy, more stable. It'll make it moist and not crummy. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now stir in these wet ingredients. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to fill these cupcakes. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Well, maybe 15 minutes was almost too long. But they rose well and look absolutely amazing with a glossy shine to them. Now let's make my cream cheese frosting. I have 1 package of cream cheese. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of stevia, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of 1/2 and 1/2. Just use your hand mixer to whip this up to creamy goodness. Okay guys, I'm going to change this up. I'm going to add some eggnog, 2 tablespoons, which is 3.6 carbs and 4.5 sugars. So don't add this if you want to stay sugar-free. Now I have a frosting sleeve with a coupler. Put your coupler inside the frosting sleeve, push it all the way down. Put your frosting tip on the end and then the ring to screw it down and tightly secure it. Now I'm going to fold the sleeve down over my hand and hold it firmly so I can fill in the bottom of this sleeve. Just add a small amount at a time, pushing it down to the tip. Now just unfold the sleeve, hold it just above the frosting line and twist. This will help ensure your frosting does not come out. Now just squeeze the frosting until you see it start coming out. I'm not going to do anything too fancy. I'm just going to go in a circular motion around the top of each cupcake. Now for a few red and green sprinkles for Christmas. Well, I was able to contain myself without tasting one first off camera. They are so soft and irresistible. Here's that perfect cupcake. Let me show you how soft it is. Okay, it's time for that taste test. You cannot even tell that this is almond flour by just looking at it. But the true test is that taste test. This is definitely a keeper. That chocolate flavor just pops through in that cupcake, is moist and fluffy and airy and so good. That eggnog frosting is definitely a hit with me. It is a little bit more sugar, but it is the holidays, guys. We've got to splurge. This texture on this cake is almost devil food-like, and it is definitely amazing. Look how well this holds together. Even with the tip of the fork, it stays together. Let's try picking up these crumbs. Yep, you can even press it right into the fork tines to pick up all of those crumbs. That is perfection. With the hustle and bustle with Christmas, it's hard to stay on track and eat healthy. But these 12 desserts of Christmas will help, and they are so easy to put together. Thank you for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.